Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leaked. Samsung is rumored to launch its Ultra series smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, worldwide next year, along with the rest of the flagship Galaxy S25 series. In recent weeks, the South Korean tech giant has talked about the smartphone, indicating the integration of top-of-the-line updates and features powered by AI. According to Tipster, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might feature a larger screen, a benefit from the company making the smartphone's bezels slimmer. Taking to X, the tipster claimed that the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a width of 77.6mm. In comparison, the company's current flagship, Galaxy S24 Ultra, is 79mm wide. This potentially makes the supposed smartphone narrower than its predecessor. Moreover, it might feature a larger 6.86-inch display, courtesy of slimmer bezels. It's to be noted that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts a 6.79-inch screen. Even then, its bezels might not be as thin compared to its potential competitor, the forthcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has been reported to have 1.15mm thin bezels. This is claimed to be possible due to Apple implementing a new process called border reduction structure. This new development builds upon older reports which indicated that the South Korean tech giant's upcoming flagship handset may have a change in ergonomics. Mock-ups of the Galaxy S25 Ultra suggest the presence of rounded corners instead of flat edges. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra might arrive with 16GB RAM and UFC 4.1 storage. The Ultra series smartphone may be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC under the hood, which is claimed to debut later this year. It's claimed to be equipped with an upgraded quad rear camera setup, having a 200-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel sensor with 5x optical zoom. The ultra-wide-angle and telephoto sensors are hinted at to get a bump to 50 megapixel. The Galaxy S25 Ultra might boast a 5000 mAh battery supporting 45-volt charging.